At the age when Team Universe in your eyes is supposed to fly kites in the field and roam around the neighborhood with their friends, they keep looking at the sky without sleeping at night. They secretly read articles from NASA and try to unreveal the secrets of the universe. Suddenly, they like the James Webb Telescope. This team always discuss the James Webb Telescope with their friends. Due to a lack of understanding, no one was showing interest in their discussion. Underrated, they made a game and they started playing with their friends. Whenever their friends went to solve any of the game's puzzle, they started to learn something. As they started to solve the puzzle one after another, they became more and more curious about the Webb telescope. Finally, the team became focused on developing the game to tell everyone these interesting secrets. This is what makes Sarah Karim and her special team as they continue to uncover the mysterious of the James Webb telescope through games. Studies, mobile apps promote entertainment. Learning is no more a passive activity. Lessons transcribed to games can change the face of education. Children will develop a kind of interest in learning. A child has a lot of curiosity about the unknown, but in today's social media era, it is very difficult to use it online in the effective way. Because there are many people who do not have the slightest idea about space. In this case, Unfold the Universe is working in a very informative way where anyone can divert from spending time unnecessarily on social media and change their mindset. It's a great source for astro lovers who want to know more about the James Webb Telescope. Where all kinds of information and games about James Webb Telescope can be found. First, we open our app and see that there are some features on the homepage, such as local online, how to play, and challenge. Here, user can play puzzle games with various images of James Webb Telescope through puzzle. By doing this, user can gain their knowledge through puzzles. If they can play the puzzle correctly, they can gain points. Otherwise, it's a mistake, and in matching the puzzle, then he has to play again. Each image of the puzzle here is collected from the NASA dataset. Then the feature that I added is quiz. This quiz feature will show three options. They are level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 1 is the easiest level, which even children can play very easily. If we enter any level, then such questions and options will show and time mentioned above. If quiz option is true, then points will be added. Then the feature we have is sorting. By choosing any box in this option, you can know all the information about the specific picture of that box. Then the feature we hear is live. By going to this option, you can see all the live information or videos available on James Webb Telescope. Then there are the key facts. Through these, you can know the details about the James Webb Telescope. Then there is the challenge. Through challenge, a person can challenge others by making a quiz or puzzle, like kind of exam. After making these questions, a code will be automatically generated. User must play paid version for challenge option. Depression, stress, suffering, loneliness, these are seen not only in adults but also in children. Unfold the Universe is an app through which everyone, young and old, can learn more and more. And the interest in learning about NASA and other sectors will continue to increase. Now, in the era of social media, it is impossible to get rid of various types of disharmony like teenage drug addiction, wasting hours on Facebook, and deterioration of mental health. But through the app, we all can easily divert from this obstacle. We need a strong developer so that it can be more attractive. Now, this is made only with the James Webb Telescope, but later on we will continue to try to inform about NASA on a larger scale.